welcome to my channel. Our today lecture is second lecture, and we have to talk about the question number 5 of class 9th mathematics of Abbottabad board. So if we will see in this question, he says that let matrix A, it's a 2 cross 2 matrix, and it's a 2 cross 2 matrix B. So what he says, he said, for what value of u, v and w are a and b equal? You have to prove that, you don't have to prove, you have to tell him that matrix A and B are same. So what values you assign to these unknown numbers or these unknown elements u, v and w, so that A matrix is equal to B matrix. So in solution we will say that A matrix is equal to B matrix if and only if first element is equal to first element, that is 2 is equal to V. So the value of V is 2, minus 3 is equal to minus 3, U is equal to 5, the number is 5, 0 is equal to W. So if W is equal to 0, U is equal to 5 and V is equal to 2, then these two matrices are equal, otherwise these are not equal. Okay, in question number 6, what he says that if you have two matrices and these two matrices are same, the first matrix is 3 cross 3 matrix and the number of elements are 3 cross 3, and first element is x plus 3, z plus 4, 2y minus z, minus 6, a minus 1, 0, b minus 3, minus 21 and 0, and the second matrix is 0, 6, 3y minus 2, minus 6, minus 3, 2c plus 2, 2b plus 4, minus 21 and 0. Find the values of a, b, c, x, y, z. You have to find out the values of these elements or these alphabets. Okay, so you can also say a, b, c, x, y, z as variable. Now what is variable we will talk about later. Here if you will see, the condition is that the two matrices are same. The examiner said that these two matrices are same. So if two matrices are same, the order is same, 3 cross 3, 3 cross 3. So the order of two matrices are same, and you will see here that the order must be same. This is also 3 cross 3 matrix and this is also a 3 cross 3 matrix. Now the second criteria is corresponding element must be same. So first element equal to first element, second, third, up to so on. If we will say here the first elements are x plus 3 and 0, so these are equal. Second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Now we will find the values. X plus 3 is equal to 0 if we will shift this positive 3 to the left hand side or to the right hand side, the value sign must be changed. So here it is x plus 3, so when we will shift this 3 at this side, it becomes negative 3, so the value of x is negative 3. If you will see here, z plus 4 is equal to 6, we will shift this 4 from this side, it becomes z is equal to 6 minus 4, and 6 minus 4 is 2, so the value of z is 2. 2y minus z is equal to 3y minus 2. So we will shift, or we will combine variables and we will combine numbers. So it's minus 7 and we shift negative 2, it becomes positive 2. 3y is here and we shift 2y, so it becomes negative 2y. So 3y minus 2y is y, and minus 7 plus 2 is minus 5. If you will see here, the signs are different. It's positive, it's negative, and this sign is positive. So if the signs are different, you have to subtract numbers. If the signs are same, you have to add numbers and sign must be that sign. Okay, minus 7 plus 2 is minus 5. A minus 1 is 3 is equal to minus 3. So we will shift this negative 1, it becomes positive 1. And minus 3 plus 1 is negative 2. 0 is equal to 2c plus 2. We shift this positive 2, it becomes negative 2. And when we will shift this 2, it will change. Here this 2 is multiplied by this c, and when we will shift, it will divide by that number. So 2 by 2 is negative 1. B minus 3 is equal to 2b plus 4. We shift this b and this 4. Negative 3, this one, and this 4 becomes negative 4 is equal to 2b minus b. This b changed in negative b. So 2b minus b is b, and these, if you will see here, the sign are same, so we will add these number. 4 3 is 7, and the sign must be negative 7. So the answer is A is negative 2, B is negative 7, C is negative 1, X is negative 3, Y is negative 5, and Z is 2. So these are the numbers of these variables or these elements. Okay, and question number 7 is said, solve the following equation for A, B, C, and D. Here we have two matrices, and the condition is these two matrices are same, so corresponding elements are same. We have A plus B is equal to negative 1, B plus 2C is 4, 2C plus D is 8, 2A minus D is 0. We have four equations: first equation, second, third, fourth. Now what we can do, if you will see here, if we subtract first equation from second. Now what is first equation? First equation is A plus B is equal to negative 1. And what is second equation? B plus 2C is equal to 4. Now we have to subtract, so the sign of the second matrix is changed, the elements. So B becomes negative B, 2C becomes negative, and 4 becomes negative 4. So this B cancel by this B. Positive B and negative B, these are cancelled. A and the remaining element is, or remaining variable is, negative 2C. It's A minus 2C is equal to, the sign is same at this right hand side, so we have to add, and the sign must be negative. 4 plus 1 is 5, and negative 5. This equation becomes fifth equation. So if we add equation 5 by equation number 3, what we will find? You will see here, equation 5 is A minus 2C is equal to 5, negative 5, and the third equation is this, 2C plus D is equal to 8. This 2C and this positive 2C must be cancelled. Negative 2C, positive 2C. A plus D at left hand side, and at right hand side 8 minus 5 is 3. It is equation number 6. Now we will further add equation 6 with equation 4. Equation 6 is A plus D is equal to 3. This is equation 6. And the fourth equation is this, 2A minus D is 0. So at left hand side, this positive D and negative D vanished or cancelled. A plus 2A is 3A, and 3 plus 0 is 3. So this 3 is divided by that number 3. 3 by 3 is 1, so the value of A is 1. Now we have to put the value of A in any equation. I put this in equation number 1. What is equation 1? A plus B is equal to negative 1. So A plus B is negative 1, the value of A is 1, and when I will change it, it become negative 1. The position is changed, so it negative 1, sign is same, 1 plus 1 is 2, and the sign is negative, so it is negative 2. Now put this value in equation 2. What is equation 2? B plus 2C is equal to 4. So the value of B is negative 2. B minus 2 plus 2C is equal to 4. I changed the position of this negative 2, it become positive. 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. Change the position of this product, it become in division form. 6 by 2 is 3. So C is 3. And put in equation 3. Equation 3 is here, it's equation 3. 2c plus d is equal to 8. So the value of c is 3 and d is unknown.